So, bit of an interesting turn of events. Sign says close at 4:30, which means we can't park up there. So we're having to park here on the side of the road. And then walk forever all throughout there. Which is and there's no clouds. So, I'm gonna pack a lot of water. And it gets dark in like 4 hours. So yeah, hike around until it gets dark, and then I guess we'll find some roads to cruise out here.
I plan on just staying out there.
In the dark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a full moon tonight.
Oh yeah, and the harvest moon.
And it's the harvest moon, so it's gonna be super bright out here.
Oh, it's Friday.
We'll pack flashlights and
it's
stuff.
Friday
too.
the 13th as well. Yeah, there are bad bobcats down here, didn't they say that?
Yeah, I don't know that there are any good bobcats. I think they're all just out.
Needless to say, this is
Oh, and coyotes.
And coyotes.
And biting goats.
Subspecies of nibbling goats?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, it's gonna be interesting, but you know. You guys know us.
The things we do for herps.
The things we do for, yeah.
Actually, the things we do for you guys.
I've been telling them that for years. Alright, but I got a stick though. So, if we do find one, hopefully it's not bigger than the stick.
You got that stick at Red Rock?
Yeah, we did. Red Rock stick. I wish we could keep it.
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's putting these things back on. Hopefully not die. Oh my god. Wow. Nothing there. There it is. Sloan Conservation Area, Valley of Fire. Red Rock stick. They can actually squirt blood out of their eye. Is a California king snake. What is this day? Alright guys, so what we just did was we just found in this bush a baby desert horn lizard. And they are adorable. Basically, oh, and he's got these little things on the back of his head right there. See how every time I move like that, they try to like rear back and get you with them. And then they get older, they'll get pretty sharp, and they do kind of hurt. But those little things right there are actually part of his skull. It's not like a extra scale or anything. It's actually part of his skull. So when this old dude dies one day and his skull's just there, this will be actually part of it. And then they have, of course, a really crazy pattern that you can just blend in everywhere. And then they flatten out like that too, so you can basically just miss them completely. If he hadn't moved, then we wouldn't have seen him. And this is a species that, when they get really defensive, they can actually squirt blood out of their eyes at their attacker. So that's really cool. I've never seen one do it, but I've heard that they could. He just looks so grumpy. He's so adorable. Look at him. He's just... Oh, don't do it, don't do it. Well, yeah, they spread themselves out like that to soak up the most sun. Oh. Where you going? I'm trying to let you go. I know, you're real skittish. You're new to the world. There you go. Come on. Oh, Heck yeah, that is... If that's the sign of anything to come, of things to come up here, it's gonna be a good trip. Oh, he went in the hole. There's holes everywhere. There's a big boy too. Alright, so there's the trail right here that we're going to find these petroglyphs in this whatever canyon. But we're walking outside of the trail along here trying to look for rattlesnakes, because from what I've heard, since Panamas are cousins of speckleds, and speckleds you can find up on these embankments, they like to kind of do the same thing. And that's where the sun's hitting right now, and it will be for a little bit longer, not too much longer. And than kind of the goal what we're trying to do. But we've had a couple super fast lizards get away from us, and we saw a desert cottontail. I did not know what it was, but Bo looked that up, so that was pretty cool. I thought they were just jackrabbits. But we're gonna keep on going. Looking like it's gonna get pretty good up here, so. Oh, dude, holy shit.
He's right there looking at you.
I know, I'm seeing him. I'm just kind of taking this in because this is kind of really cool. Oh, I see him. He literally has nowhere to go.
Remember that, guys. He said he has nowhere to go.
Means he's gonna go somewhere. Obviously. Yep. He had somewhere to go. Way in there. I just had a stare down with some kind of desert lizard. I have no idea what it was. That was pretty freaking sweet. Now you guys didn't get to see that like the way I did, but that's just really freaking cool. You guys let me know in the comments, like, since you're seeing me herp the Southwest for the first time, things I'm doing right, things I'm doing wrong, so that when we come back out here, we'll have a better kind of have it honed in a little bit better. Because I could not be finding rattlesnakes, I could be doing everything completely wrong, or I could be doing it right and they're just on the move. I don't know. So I need you guys to help me out. So when we come back out here, oh my god, look at that. Insane. These rocks are still really, really warm. It's a good sign. I didn't really think of an escape route. No rattle, we're good. Spider snake. Oh, what's this thing? We have Chuck Wallace here. I believe that because, good lord. No warnings about rattlesnakes.
Take 64 ounces of water?
We didn't do that, did we?
No.
Alright. You want to take a water break?
Yeah, probably.
Oh wow, there's two of them. They're eating little bugs.
What is it?
I think it's a desert iguana, so I'm not sure. He sees me, he knows I'm here. See him? Impressive.
No, it's not impressive because he went to that bush.
Oh, wow! Yeah, he's gone. Damn, that's crazy.
Look at that beautiful thing right there. Hey, look.
What?
He's right there. How much footage should I get of him?
Huh?
How much footage should I get of him?
Is the mic on?
Yeah?
Aww, he's so cute.
You see him?
No, I just had a little one. He broke his tail. Look.
I can't look away from this. He's too adorable.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, I see him. He's eating. As close as you can get to him?
In theory.
I'd say that's good. Alright, so we are currently on our way back to the car. It's really, really weird. We're seeing a bunch of lizards and stuff, and then once we hit this turn, it's like everything just kind of stopped. And I mean, lizards, everything. All life just stopped. No birds, no nothing. And I don't know if it has to do with this freaking amazing moon that's over there. I don't know if you guys can see it as well as we can, but it's a full moon. It's a harvest moon. And it's Friday the 13th, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But at the end of the day, I mean, we're not calling it. Of course, we're still going to do some road cruising, but say at the end of the day, we didn't find anything at all. You can't be mad because, I mean, just look at that view. Look at that. That's all Vegas. And then you got nothing but mountains here. You got a crazy harvest full moon. I mean, when you really take it in perspective, going all day without seeing a single snake, really, and this is not that bad. Let's get to the car. Hopefully we'll find something down there. A little flatter, a little lower elevation.